Let me quickly create a set of data. So the data is something like product, and they will be having some pricings, yeah, fine. So the product is pen and the pricing is 12.33. So now the problem is something as such that in the Indian metric system, or whatever metrics, whatever currency system all over the globe, there are nothing. I mean, the paisa are always of two digits, either 53 paisa or 98 paisa or 87 cent for the outer countries. So it's basically pointless to press an extra key for the point. So what I am trying to demonstrate is that whenever I am pressing a certain value within a particular cell, automatically Excel will be placing the decimal two places from the right hand side, and I don't need to press this extra button again and again. So how can we achieve that? So notice that after pen, if I write paper and then press enter, it's going for the pricing. So let me press 43.32 or 42, and whenever I am pressing enter, the cursor is moving to the cell next to it. So I have already discussed that we can easily overcome this particular hindrance by selecting the range of cells and then pressing Ctrl T to convert this into a table, and instructing Excel that it doesn't need to create a new column label over product as a labeling for this particular table, because the selection has already some column labels, and those column labels are being present in the my table has header. So header, the first rows are the column headers for the table which I am trying to create. Now let's press OK. So we need to make some changes to the Excel default behavior. So we will be again moving to this file option, and then we will be going to this Excel option, and under advanced section there is a this particular option, automatically insert a decimal point. So what happens is that this particular option is by default, it is being checked out. We need to check it in, and you can say that the decimal places can be of two places. In generally currency system, the decimal places are always of two places. But if there is any particular, say like we are multiplying the radius, based on the radius of a circle, we are multiplying it with the pi value, and we are finding the area of the circle, and the result might be something like 93377, something like that. In those special scenarios, I can change these places to 2 or maybe 3 or maybe 4, whatever it is. That's a different set of argument or different way of working with Excel. So here I am basically creating a table, I mean for data entry purpose, where the the decimal would be placed just two places from the right hand side of the number which I am entering. So after making this particular selection, automatically insert a decimal point, I will be pressing OK. Next we will be writing the name of the product, maybe stapler, and instead of pressing any point, I will be simply writing the stapler is priced at 98.67, and whenever I am hitting enter from my keyboard, Excel is automatically converting this particular data, I mean this particular value, and it is placing the decimal two places from the right hand side of the integer value. So let me quickly check out whether it's working properly or not for another set of data, maybe pen, and it's priced at it's a Parker pen, and it's I mean the Parker pen is it comes costly, so maybe it can be Pyricardian as well. So it's priced at 225 rupees and they are also charging 54 cents. So I won't be placing the point. I'll be simply writing 225 and 54, and whenever I am pressing enter, Excel is automatically placing the decimal two places from the right hand side of that particular value. So that's all for this particular tips and tricks on Excel, and you can boost my motivation. You can show me you can say thanks to me for for demonstrating this particular problem or scenario walk around, simply by clicking on the subscribe button and throwing a like to this particular video. Also, you can make some comments for the video which I am uploading this to my YouTube channel. If you have any queries, so that I can work on it and develop some more complicated scenarios, or think of some more other scenarios to help you all, to help you out. So that's all for this particular video session. Hope you have liked it, and happy coding.